This month, our theme for Youth Month is Rethink Youth. Rethinking how we interact with our society, rethinking how our society interacts with us, and how we as youth are going to reposition Jamaica to recover as a better country for the next period outside of COVID.
Youth, rethink. Hello Jamaica and Happy Youth Month 2020. My name is Malik Helio, Chairman of the Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica, and welcome to Youth Month. This Youth Month, we are called upon in this new normal or difficult time to weather the storm by being resilient through our networking, knowledge, and inspiring hope for all Jamaicans. This year, the Youth Advisory Council, as that group of young people working towards putting together policy so that we young people can have a seat at the table, bring to you a youth forum dedicated to discussing entrepreneurship, networking, and educational opportunities through this difficult divide. We stand together resolute, resilient, and ready. Happy Youth Month, Jamaica.
Hi, my name is Shemar Grant from the Jamaica Prefects Association, an organization that promotes leadership and excellence. As an organization, we believe in creating resilient youth. And now more than ever, we should encourage our youth to use their creative skills and their talents to be world changers in a changing world. Happy Youth Month.
Hi, I'm Ree-Anna Robinson, the National Public Relations Officer of the National Secondary Students Council. The NSSC is really the student-led umbrella organization governing all public secondary students' councils across the island. We are the premier student-led organization here in this country, as we represent over 300,000 students. In light of this current situation that we face now, we believe that youth need to be encouraged to be resilient. Practice and showcase your creative skills, showcase your talents. We believe that this Youth Month, youth need to rethink. That means you really need to sit back and meds what is going on so that you can effectively tackle this situation. You need to come different.
Hello everyone, I am Everton Rattray, President of the Jamaica Union of Tertiary Students. The Jamaica Union of Tertiary Students is a resilient student organization. The coronavirus is presenting a very difficult problem that us as young people and as Jamaicans must solve. And how is it that the Jamaica Union of Tertiary Students is helping to solve that problem? This month in particular, we'll be doing two activities. One, we'll be hosting the Youth in Entrepreneurship Summit, which gives young people the opportunity to look at how we can use entrepreneurship to create a more resilient Jamaica. And two, we'll be hosting the Jamaica Student Leaders Summit. And the Jamaica Student Leaders Summit will create the post-COVID student leader. The student leader who is equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills and tools to function effectively through this pandemic. Us Jamaicans will get through this. Us young people will get through it.
For us to recover from COVID effectively, the youth have to be the center of the conversation. Hence why we have to rethink how youth are positioned within our society, not just within the minds of youth ourselves, but also in the minds of those we interact with. But it begins with you. It begins with youth. So I'm asking all youth in Jamaica, participate, engage, develop ideas, continue to be innovative so that we can build a strong country after COVID.
Rethink Youth.